Fault code P0607 Control Module Performance. In this video I will show you how you can solve this problem, control module performance in Toyota. Today I have one Toyota Yaris, and this car have a problem. Car sometime off when customer drive car, suddenly off, and sometime vibration, or he told me sometime gear not shift properly, like this, and sometime engine light blinking. Many fault are there. Okay, and when he stop car, sometime no power for sudden acceleration, many fault. So, and when he came, I checked with my diagnosis tool, I got fault in control module performance, P0607 control module performance. Here you can see I already removed engine ECM. Okay, so in this video I will show you where is the problem actually, why this control module performance came. Multimeter, all are good. Now check fuse, this is good, and here also you can see 4 fuse is there. Okay, now check that this one good. Here check. Okay, number 1 good, 2 is damaged. See, number 2 is, there is no beep. If it is good, fuse came like this, beep. So first, second one damaged, third, see, third number fuse also damaged, fourth, this is good. That means this 2 fuse already damaged. This one and that one. I have another ECM here, same. You can see here also fuse is there. So now check. See, good. This one also good. See, it's working. That means fuse damage. So now we remove here and fix it there. Okay, remove from this computer and fix it and check inside this car. Okay, so I already have replaced those fuse, and now I fix it. ECM, engine ECM, and now check with our diagnosis tool if there is any fault or not. Okay, turn ignition on. Full scan. Before in engine ECM there is a fault for engine control module performance. Now there is no fault. Here you can see, great success. Now I start car. See, no engine light, perfect, and RPM also now is good. Everything is perfect, great success. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. P0607 control module performance in Toyota Yaris. Here is the control module in this car. Okay, or all wiring everywhere damaged, so I think somewhere short, that's why fault came for control module performance.